welcome to channel KK Art Universe. Today we're gonna create 3D pop-up Rakhi greeting card for Raksha Bandhan. Let's go. Take a pen, yellow color chart, fold it like that, and then start drawing hand, Rakhi, two hands, bangle, and then I'm coloring shirt, then bangle, Rakhi, and then starting with a mandala art. Draw a circle, then draw a smaller circle, then draw a semicircle, and then line, and then draw a circle, now take a glitter sheet paper, cut it like a flower, fevistick, and then half pearl, then paste it like this. Small mirror, take a cooling paper and a cooling stick, slowly roll it, then paste it with fevistick, take a cooling paper. For curved design we are using this. Make it a curve. Take a comb, place one by one like this for leaf. I'm using cooling paper for brow. Then apply blue color paint. Now front page is ready. Now take a chart, draw a girl, then a boy, fill with colors. Then cut it like this and fold it. And take a pink color chart, fold it, take a scale, draw a line and then cut it. Then fold inwards like this. Now apply fevistic. Then take a chart and paste it. Now you can see 3D pop-up. Now apply fevistic. Take a cooling paper. Paste it like this, like a diamond, and paste it. Now 3D Rakhi is ready. Now take a yellow chart, apply Fevicol and then paste it. Now 3D pop-up greeting card is ready. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.